As a UK manufacturer based in Alton, Hampshire, our products are manufactured from recycled rubber and offer environmental benefits by reducing our carbon emissions compared to traditional materials. Our products are surface-mounted, offering no excavation, no spoil, quick and easy to install, and offering cost-effective solutions to reduce TM and permit costs. Products are permanent, offer flexibility in their design to work well in temporary locations or schemes, and can be supplied in various widths, lengths and heights to suit any location. Rediweld's extensive and innovative range of traffic products are an environmentally friendly alternative, providing quick and easy installation, helping minimize disruption and mitigate time required for additional traffic management. We supply an extensive and constantly evolving range of products, from traffic calming, inclusive mobility products, passive safety posts, parking and access systems, as well as bolt-down systems for curbing and islands. All our products provide flexibility to move and relocate with ease. Rediweld Products' green-focused, innovative and sustainable products are available internationally. At Rediweld, we believe in the importance of developing both our skills and resources, and as an ISO 9001 company, we aim through continuous improvement to achieve the highest level of satisfaction. Rediweld. We deliver more for less.